What's up, guys? Taking a look at Euro USD. Now on the daily chart, we have been trading above the 20-day EMA for quite some time now. So we are on an uptrend. Here we can see it clearly. We retested the trend line twice. So here is one, and here is two. Now we might retest it a third time, which usually in the Forex trading world is a very good indicator, although we could argue that this one was the first time. It depends how you look at it, but we might come closer to the trend line, which would somehow be around here, which would be, let's take this support line here. Now we would have a perfect crossover, and we might as well somehow mix in the 20-day EMA, which means we would have a 3-point crossover here. Now, if you look at the 4-hour chart, we are currently trading above the 20 EMA at this support line here. So formed here higher low and a higher high, higher low, higher high. Now, which would suggest that we could form here a higher low and then rally back to maybe, let's say, what is this? I can see it. Wait just a second. 1.229, roughly 1.23. I guess this would be the target. So if you check some smaller time frames, the 3-hour chart, well, the 3-hour chart, we are here, kind of exactly at the 20 EMA and support line. We might break it in the next coming hours. 2-hour chart, well, kind of the same thing, nothing much changes here. Well, on the 1-hour chart, we could find a bullish entry here and maybe go higher. However, well, let's add another indicator. Let's quickly get rid of the 200-day EMA. Let's check the RSI. Well, the RSI is slightly turning to the upside as well. Let's something else. Now, if you look at the stochastics, it is slightly turning down, and now we get a crossover. The shorter line crosses the longer one, which indicates that we might pull back here. So it looks like we could go here. I mean, this could always turn around, but as for now, it looks like we are likely to pull back and go lower. On the 45 minutes chart, it looks the same. So here on the other side, on the 30 minutes chart, the stochastic is pretty low, and the MACD is trying to cross over here, which means we could actually go higher. So here the 15 minutes charts looks, well, the 15 minutes charts on the other hand, looks like it could turn around like this. So I don't know how much time you have to spend in front of the screen, but here on the 5 minutes chart, for example, we formed this bullish candlestick, and it looks like everything is or will turn around soon. So I personally would wait for the dip. You can buy, put a buying order with a stop loss. Well, the entry would be, well, hard to say at this point, but I would try to buy it somewhere around here. Well, let's change this quickly. Maybe if you can put an order around here somewhere. I mean, if you are trading on bigger time frames. So it would be roughly like this. Well, maybe you can make the stop loss a little bit shorter. Now it would almost be a 3-point risk reward ratio depending what your target would be. If you're targeting the previous highs that I showed you at 1.23, you would definitely have a risk reward of 3.4. And if you make the stop loss even smaller, well, now the stop loss is below the support line alongside the trend line. You could even go a little bit higher, but maybe therefore your entry should be a little bit higher. So, but all in all, I would wait for pullback. I mean, this could happen tomorrow. If it really falls like this, it would be tomorrow at roughly at midday, but we could also fall here, which would be today, maybe roughly before the market opens. But this would be the entry or the trade for Euro USD. Here again, you can see the bullish trend line. So there you go.